Hello, welcome to Contractor's Point of View. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing and installation of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Tab S7 Plus. I picked this up recently and I immediately put my tablets or any of my devices in a case. Supcase just happens to be my choice because they have done a very good job at keeping all of my devices protected. So let's get into this video. First of all, I have not opened these at all, as you can see. And so this will be a little bit of an unboxing slash case installation. Like I said, I like to put my devices in a case as soon as I get them. So let's take a look at this. Get this opened up. So much fun. Like these little sleeves they put these in. Ooh, oh my gosh, I didn't know it was gonna be blue. Check that out. Too bad it's covered in a case. But anyway, I don't really care about colors of devices because you can't see them when they're in a case. There we go. So it comes with the S Pen, just made specifically for the tablet. And there's your front screen. Let's turn it on so we can see if we've got some battery power. You can see me in the photo. Am I pushing the power button? Of course I'm not. There we go. All right, so we'll let that do its thing. Box, it comes with a charger, it comes with a cable, your normal books, all that fun stuff. So get that out of the picture. And here's our Tab S7 Plus. I kind of like the size of that. It's pretty good, big screen. I like big screens. And I like folding phones and I like all that fun stuff. So let's get into this Supcase so we can put this puppy on right away. Okay, so in the box, you're gonna get your Supcase wrapped in plastic. And there's some literature that comes with it, tells you how to put the case on, instructional information. So I still make the video because there's a lot of questions on how to install the case. And as you can see, this has an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, has an area where you have to peel off this to get it to work. All right, instead of a big cutout, you have two holes for your cameras. And start here, and you peel off. And these cases are a little more difficult just because the tablets are huge. So there's a little bit more flexibility. So getting them apart the first time. And pretty much the way you see me taking it apart now is how you take it apart once it's on the device, except it's a lot more sturdy once it's on the device. So you don't have to worry about cracking or breaking it as much. So I like the slide there. Everything pops up. And you just be careful with the edges. You don't want to break them before you put it on the device. All right, so as you can see, there's a film both sides. And then there you have some foam. Get rid of that. And there you go, is your back. I love the look of that. Anyway, so we're gonna do our best to keep some of this dust off. I'm in a very staticky area right now. And so that looks pretty good. We're gonna peel this off. Let's see if I find a good spot to start peeling. Now it's stuck to me. All right, now you do have to peel this fingerprint sensor off, and you can kind of see that there's a little bit different spot right there. I don't know if you can see that well. It's a little bit thinner where the fingerprint sensor is. It's hard to see. So we want to make sure this is oriented right with the cameras, and we just lay this right on there. Snap it around. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get it on there. They like their tablet cases extra tight. I don't know why. It seems more tight than a phone case, but you know, they need protection. So however it goes, but go all the way around, make sure your buttons are exposed like they're supposed to be, Make sure your cameras are exposed, all that stuff. All right, so then once you got your tablet in there, just start at one end, lay it in, and start snapping it in from one end to the other. And get your edges snapped on, go all the way up. And there's your USB-C charging port. And there you go. It's all snapped in everywhere, all the way around. Has a cover for the charging port. You still have your volume up and down, your power button. Make sure that works. Yep, works just fine. Then your speakers. Everything's exposed like it's supposed to be. And there we go. It's on. And let's peel this last. Ouch, ow! I'm getting shocked. Literally getting shocked. Static. Holy cow. All right, so there's the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. At least you get to see the blue pen, I guess. That's kind of nice. Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Tab S7 Plus. And maybe you can see it now. The fingerprint sensor over here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. The reflection is not quite picking it up. Maybe not. Anyway, so that right there is to keep it so that you can use the ultrasonic sensors. See, 2 more taps to start QR mode setup. Okay, anyway, so that's the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro on the brand new Tab S7 Plus. Pretty good sized tablet. Definitely looking forward to using it. And there you go. Until next time, stay safe out there.